Now you can easily make $100 to $200 per day by simple publishing ebook on online high traffic platforms in very simple way using ChatGPT. To create ebook using ChatGPT, first write create a title for storybooks for kids. If you are not satisfied, then type regenerate what is the story about. Then type for which range. Now create chapter page outlines. It will generate the outlines for you. After generating our outlines, copy the chapter 1. After generating outlines, copy the chapter 1's headline and write rhythm story for this. It will generate a rhythm story for chapter 1, same for chapter 2, and same for all chapters.